VOLTICARD is currently making a lot of changes in the crypto aspect right now, whereby INU, which are the owner for VOLTICARD, actually adopting trending coins to actually come ahead and you can spend with your card right here. Alright, I'm going to break down what VOLTICARD actually means, the plan, what you need to know, and how you can actually get this. So right here, about a tweet that came up 52 minutes ago by the time of making this particular video for you. So we actually saw that the vote were asking that, okay, which token pump the most recently and needed to be added to the VOLTICARD so you can spend it on your wallet, from your wallet. And this is currently massive right here. Imagine the lives of Pepe coin, a lot of trading coin out there, and you can able to spend it in your wallet with this particular update VOLTICARD, which VOLTICARD actually invited into the crypto space right now. So I'm going to be showing you a clip of how to actually get this used. Then I'm going to be telling you how you can actually use this also in your future use right now. So let's scroll down and we are going to be seeing a practicalized example of how you can actually function this particular stuff which Pablo actually did for us. So I'm going to be starting just before then. Let's talk about how you can actually apply for this particular VOLTICARD. Alright, so to apply for VOLTICARD, you need to have a minimum of I think 200,000. So yeah, 200,000 worth of VOLTICARD right there. You need to add that into your wallet. So I'm trying to check out the full VOLTICARD. Okay, so I got this and it actually said right here when I was talking about all you need is 200 million, not thousand. It is currently million, so you have to use 200 million. So the mistake we make now, we got the correct result, the correct answer. So this is actually going to help you not to forget this. So I'm going to be showing you how this is get to be used by a video from one of the users right now. So this is currently the demonstration and trying to buy with the cryptocurrency and trying, okay, $54.44 and waiting right here. So you can see we have this particular update and they said remove your card. So your card is got to be removed. It has been installed. Then you can proceed to click on the amount you want to spend. Okay, choose a tab. Yeah, wait a moment. So we get this done. Then it's proceed, access. So you input email and everything. So basically that is how that's done. So the requirement for you to get this particular VOLTICARD, you need to have a minimum amount of 200 million worth of VOLTICARD into your wallet. So this is not a financial advice anyway. This is for information and entertainment purpose only. So you all know, if you actually get this particular update useful for you, do not forget to give this video a thumb like for you not to miss any further updates. I love you all guys. Peace out.